and welcome my YouTube channel. I hope you will be fine. Landscape design. Welcome to another beautiful day in the garden. Whether you're dreaming of transforming your background into a lush retreat or just looking for inspiration to breathe new life into our quiet, bringing to journey one that reconnects us with the earth, slow us down, and brings a little more beauty into our daily life. This is a garden landscaping from the ground up. Before any shovels hit the soil, the first step is simple. We absorb. Take a walk through your garden. What do you notice? How does the night move across your space throughout the day? Where does the mind whisper and where does it all? Look at your soil. Is it sandy, clay, heavy, rich or dry? These quiet observations were everything we do next, because landscaping is just design. It's partnership with your land, your climate, your lifestyles. Ask yourself, how do you want to feel in your garden? Meditative, alive with busy bees, or playful and open our space for gathering, slaughter, maybe even the occasional before dance. Once we outstanding the lay of the land is being shaping its being. Especially these walls that ensure your space. Think of them as the frame of a painting. They guard the eye, they hold the space. Consider using natural materials like gravel or wood. These textures invite our senses in grounding your garden in both beauty and functions. Don't have to be perfect. In fact, a slightly wedding trail through your garden adds mysteries and charm. Invite landscaping isn't about control, it's about calibration. This is where your garden needs to breathe and warm. But don't just head to the nursery with a chart and a credit card. Growth habits, layer them, tall trees and circles in the back mid-size in the center and soft ground covers in the front, and don't forget the seasons. Choose plants that offer beauty in spring, summer, fall and even winter. Evergreens, ornamental grasses, winter buds with textures and color. Planting with seasons in mind means your garden always has something to say. Great garden don't just happen above ground. The real magic is in the soil, and most treat it like a living thing because it is at compost molecularly. Let worms do their work as your soil. Improve your plants, and water is precious, so water is free. Drip irrigations, when rails and smart watering schedules have some money and